everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be trying on, installing, and reviewing this wig from Ishow hair. This hair is a body wave wig. It's a 13x4 lace wig, 26 inches and 100% density. This is how it looks straight out of the box. Really silky, soft, and long. I love the quality. It comes with a band to wear glueless and also clips so that the wig stays in place and doesn't go anywhere. It also came with wig caps, it came with hair clips, a hanger to hang the hair, and it also came with a baby hair brush, which I thought was really cool of them to do. So I did wash the hair. This is how it looks after I washed it. I did also bleach the knots, but now I'm just going to be installing the hair. And I did also braid down my hair. I think I made a total of 12 braids, and I used a wig cap and blended the wig cap using foundation to match the color of my skin. Because I usually don't leave my wigs in for a long time, I decided to use hairspray for this install. I'm using Got To Be hairspray, and this is a really good hairspray to use when you want to lay down wigs with a lace front. So I'm just applying this to my hair, and I'm going to use a blow dryer to speed up the process of drying. The lace was a lot lighter than me, so I'm going to go in with my contour and I'm just going to blend it out to my skin color. I decided that I'm going to do a side part for this wig, so I'm just doing a side part. I'm using a wax stick to lay the hair flat and to also get rid of any flyaways. Now I'm going to be using a hot comb to lay the hair as flat as possible. And now I am using a concealer to define the side part. Now for the styling, I'm going to be using a flat iron and I'm going to make some loose curls. Right now I'm just brushing my hair to get rid of any tangles, and I'm going to go in with my flat iron to style my hair. And this is the final look. I am absolutely impressed of how this wig came out. It's super soft and silky. It came true to length and true to density, 180 density, but it did look like a little bit more, which I absolutely love. But this hair came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video.